Good morning. I am packing up some orders this morning. Super cute. I'm super obsessed with all them, like this little girl power tee is so cute. Cactus, scrunchy. Yeah. And Jackson is making a mess. As per usual, we just had breakfast and now he's throwing all his toys out. It is almost 7 and Jackson just got out of the bath and we have our pajamas on and just hanging out by the window. It's all good. It doesn't open any further than that and I never let him play with it by himself. Anyways, frick, my face is literally going insane. I don't know what's happening. Anyways, it is 6:48 and swimming lesson registration for September start at 7 p.m. tonight. And Luna is, what are you doing? She's such a dork. I want to be right on at 7 because I heard that it's literally crazy to get them into swimming lessons and they fill up so fast. And when I checked last time, there was literally like a 68 person wait list just for the one class. And there's a few classes, so we wait. I even had an alarm set for 6:58, but I'm gonna turn it off because I remembered. And I'm gonna see if I can get him in. Fingers crossed. Okay, got my laptop, got my phone. We're gonna do this. There is 28 seconds left until we can add to cart. I mean, like, there's for sure private swim lessons that we can take, but they're so expensive. And these are small classes as well. And it's at our local swimming pool, so there is 5 seconds left. Okay, it says do not refresh. But it's stressing me out, so I'm gonna refresh. Okay, what? Oh my god. The site is literally broken. That is insane. Oh my god. That's ridiculous. This is literally insane. Okay, I'm in the queue. It says it's my turn. Let's go grab my credit card. Okay, I'll just use my 5G, I guess. That's literally insane. So I was in the freaking queue. And now it kicked me out. Who knew registering for freaking swim lessons was literally this chaotic? So let me just sign in. And it kicked me out again. Jackson. Mom. Jackson. Mom. Jackson. Trying to add to cart. Like, that is literally insane.
Thank you for calling the City of Vancouver. We are currently experiencing high call volume with wait times of up to 25 minutes. Open every day of the week from 7 a.m. until 10 p.m. CA or download our... Thank you for your patience.
Well, you're the one who threw it under there, Smunchy Butt. I don't know what to tell you, Lovey. Okay, this is stressful, so I will get back to this in a minute when I figure some more stuff out. I'm sweating. I'm literally sweating, but I did it. Okay, my mom's FaceTiming me. I'll update you in a minute. Okay, good morning. I need to explain the swimming lessons situation. He got registered. It was literally crazy. The site crashed, as you've seen my reaction, but we did get registered. I tried to even call, and like as you heard, it was a 25 to 35 minute wait. So that was awesome. It finally let me on my laptop, and I checked out and I got the last spot, which is pretty insane. But I'm super glad we get to start. He's gonna love it. He loves the water. So that's that. Luna's here. We're gonna take her out and go down, and I need a buzzer number, so I need to go talk to the office and get my number set up. What else? Tomorrow we're actually going to the Okanagan again. We're picking up our new little fur baby. We got a kitten. I think we're gonna name her Lily. Lily and Luna. I'll show you a picture. She is the sweetest. We got her from this family in Williams Lake that my in-laws know. It's her. Oh, she's so cute. I am so excited. So we're actually gonna go to the pet store today, this morning, and pick up some cute little cat things. I did get her some toys already from Amazon with like catnip in it or something, but they're really cute and soft. So I'm gonna bring that with me. And yeah, we're gonna go pick up some food for her, and I don't know, whatever else cute things we can find for our new little fur baby. Hey, kitty. Kitty. He's so cute. Okay, let's go outside, and then I guess for a little car ride. I also have to stop at IKEA and pick up a click and collect for my friend Kelsey, Madison's older sister. Ordered some champagne flute. Tag her thing, it's super cute. She does party rentals in the Okanagan, so you should check it out because there's some really cute stuff. And yeah, let's try and get this baby in the stroller. Okay, went and got a buzzer number set up. I'm just leaving the parking garage. Got that all done. What else was I supposed to do? Took Luna out for a little walk, so she's good. And now we're on our way to the pet store. I'm so excited. It just hit me now, like, that we're literally gonna get a cat. A little kitten even. So I'm excited. I will pick this up at the pet store. Okay, so I went to PetSmart and I got a few things for Lily, our new little kitten. Let's start off with her some food. It's kitten food. I don't know. This was a good brand. Luna used to eat this brand, so thought I would try her on that. Found these super cute little sushi toys. I love. And then I also got her some treats. And they're just like dehydrated treats. Luna's so shook right now. She thinks it's for her. Not this time. And then I picked her up some little bowls. They're 2 little dishes for her food and water. Luna actually has the exact same ones, but in big size, so that's cute. They can match. Then, guys, this Bessie, it's actually a collaboration I'm doing on Instagram, so I will do an unboxing when I open those, and then the rest of the content should be up on my Instagram by the time you watch this. It's a super exciting partnership. I'm really excited to be collabing with them. Sent over 2 pairs of shoes. I got one for myself and a pair for Nick, and then I got Nick some socks. So we will open that up, test them out, and yeah. I just received such an exciting package from Bessie. I'm super excited to be working with them. So we're unboxing the Bessies. There. Another one. Cute socks for Nick. Wow. These are like such great quality. Nick's gonna love these. I'll open these up. So exciting. A little package on how to clean it. Look at the box. That is so cute. My dad got the cat. When you get the cat mid-filming. Oh my god. She is so sweet. Oh my goodness. I want to go right now. Okay, today literally is going so slow. Oh, I need to go pick up that stuff for Kelsey. Okay, so that needs to get done now. So I'm gonna finish filming this, wake Jackson up, and then go. Oh, I'll show you Nick's before we end. Oh, what the heck? His are so much lighter. Oh, they're different. What kind did he get? The Cityscape sneakers. These are really nice. I love these. He'll love these. Put them back in the box, and he can open them up when he gets home. Finish filming these stories for them, and go. Good morning. Gonna go pick up Lily. I'm so excited. I'm so tired. I need coffee. Wake Jackson up. Get on the road. En route. Oh, there's someone coming. There's someone behind me. Super awkward. She's staring at me. Okay, so we are en route to get the kitty. It is 6:30. The sunrise is beautiful. I'll show you. But yeah, we are gonna drive. Everyone is ready and excited. This is beautiful. We are in Hope at Starbucks. We are gonna go in and get a drink, banana bread, and a cheese stick. Cheese. I am tired. It's 8:11. We're almost, well no, we're not. We're in Hope. 3 more hours to go. Come better. Jackson, come here. Say hello, Willie. Oh my god, she's so tiny. Don't scratch. You can run. Are you trying to get her?
Lily, Lily, Lily. Lily, Lily, Lily. Come on.
She's so tiny. Hi, kitty. Hi, Lily. You crazy kitten. Sweetest. Except she already got Jackson once. And, Luna isn't too thrilled about her, but it's only day 1. We'll figure it out. Sweet girl. We'll figure it out. Hi, sweet girl. Luna's scaring you. She's not too sure. Hi, baby.
She's coming. Come on, Mom.
Oh, you
to
have a cookie in your other hand.
Let's go see the goats.
Yeah, we're gonna go see all the animals.
The goats. You got him water.
Yep. I got water. I got some snacks. Thirsty. I'm off to the IPE.
And maybe she's like a hate girl, they're watching me.
Yeah! 4. Come on, I hit it!
So just for the record, guys, that axe just has to cut that higher inside line for it to count, so that is a 4. B-Rad, what do you got for us? Practice throw.
Really hard event, so I expect you guys are going to cheer really, really loud.
Ready, Jackson?
As they run all the way up that tree.
Ready, Jackson?
Yes? Yes, all right. Looks like everyone's ready up here. Competitors, 3, 2, 1, go! Cheer on, guys! Looks like Scott is a little bit in the lead on the way up. He's ringing the bell and on his way down. But here comes Sterling. Oh, Mr. Sterling. Who won the match? Was it me? It was Sterling. It was definitely Sterling.
World's fastest pole dancer.
So I look like an idiot, right?
Yeah, because that's what's going to make you look like an idiot.
Oh, I Actually, hang on. You know what? You know what? I just got that new Speedo. Hang on. I'll go get that.
What?
Hang on.
Wait, hey, what? No.
Yeah.
Hey!
No.
Hang on.
Stay away from...
Scratch, spit, I don't care. As long as you don't cross that red line. And you have to stay on there longer than the other. Wait, whoa. What are you doing? No.
Anything goes, like clothing-wise,
Yeah,
apparently.
apparently. There we go. There we are. All right. All right. Okay, they're sizing each other up. Oh, nice try there.
Just hanging in there.
Yeah, they're rocking up. All right, so the first ball went to Scott. Darren needs to tie it up here, so let's get them out on the log. And there they go. Come on now, let's take the favorite. Darren is hanging in. Oh, look at him go. Oh. Okay. Oh, no, I don't think he is. Dude, what's the matter? Are you okay? Folks, he needs first aid. Anyone got a small Band-Aid we can borrow? What? Oh, okay. Well, come out there. All right, there they go again. They're sizing each other up. They're looking at each other's feet. I don't know. I think did Scott win that? Did Darren lose? You guys called it. Scott won.
Okay, that's fine.
That is our event. Yeah, go ahead there. You got the better voice for this.
Oh, I got the better, man. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming out.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, pony.
What's up, buddy?
Oh, look at it.
Look at the duck. From the rodeo.
Where did she say they were?
In here somewhere.
Oh, I thought she said they were in the other barn.
She said on...
Yeah, there's like...
See big ones?
I see big ones over here. Yeah, he looks huge, but maybe he's not. Looking for the big horsies. He's pretty big.
He is big, but he's not a...
No. You want to smell me? Oh, your nose is so soft.
There's a big one right there.
I don't think it's the Clydesdale or whatever though.
I don't think she'll ever be okay with cheap.
He's a big boy.
He's got a scratch on his foot. Hi, buddy. He's a supreme champion.
Supreme. Wow. Winner.
How do you get on that sucker?
With a ladder. You have to jump really high.
Yeah. Grab the stirrup and the... Gee. Jump from a tall...
Sing! Red moon. Huh?